What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Louise, and if you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, then welcome back, girl. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you all how I created, colored, and installed this unit in 24 hours. So if that is something of interest to you, then stay tuned. Okay, so starting off, I'm using Blonde Me, Olaplex, and Guytane. Now, Olaplex and Guytane pretty much do the same thing. They're both bond builders, but I like the double protection because I'm using this lightener at the very root of this wig. So I don't want the hair to fall out at the root. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm starting at the root and I'm just bringing that lightener about 2 inches down. And I'm not bringing it down too far because the look that we're going for is the Billie Eilish inspired look. And this is actually done on a wig. So I'm trying to just, give it the same look by, applying my lightener to the roots, but not bringing it down too far. And as I'm bringing the lightener down, I'm trying to feather it towards the ends so that it doesn't give off that super harsh line of demarcation, and you can tell the difference of where the hair was lightened and where the hair still remains with its natural tones. And I can say that while all virgin hair may not necessarily lift to 613, level 10, most virgin hair can. You simply need to saturate that hair. The saturation is where you're gonna get the lift. So that's my tip to you guys. Fully saturate that hair and foil it, and you'll get to 613 if it's good quality hair. So this process took me about 45 minutes to apply the lightener and the foils. What I will say is I used 30 volume developer in this process, but I would recommend maybe a lower 20 if you're just starting out, 20 volume developer and working your way up. And the reason for this is we're working on the hair that's closest to the root. Closest to the root means closest to the lace. So if you go in with a high developer and that developer busts that lace wide open, now you have to replace the entire closure. So this is what it looks like after I have fully foiled the lace closure, and these are just the hairs that are left at the top. So I wasn't able to get any of the footage of me actually shampooing out, but as you guys can see, this tone is A1. I'm actually about to go in with a toner, a pinkish base toner, so that we can give this a more girly feel. And the toner that I used is by Redken. I will insert it in the comments as well. And I let that sit on for the manufacturer's instructions. So now I'm going in with my favorite leave-in products, my favorite blow-dry products, and I'm going to blow-dry this hair and prep it for the install. Keep in mind that all products mentioned in the video will be listed in the description bar. The foundation for a wig is crucial. So depending on the type of wig that you're getting installed, that is going to determine the type of braid pattern that I go with. I typically try to stick with straight braids in the front and then a circle pattern in the back. I also like to go in with a moisturizer just to moisturize my client's hair underneath their installs. And if you're in the DMV metropolitan area and you're looking for an extension specialist or someone to care for your hair underneath your units, then I will leave all of my information down in the description bar. Because content is key. I gotta get my pictures. I'm just showing her how to attach the adjustable straps in the back of the unit so that when she wants to take the unit off, she can, and she knows how to put it back on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and install the unit for her. Now keep in mind, this is a 100% glueless unit. However, some of my clients, because of festivities, activities, and plans that they have coming up, they do want glue for the extra security. So I'm here for whatever you're here for. However, I'm going to make sure that the hair underneath is always taken care of. That includes precautions around your hairline specifically. This is not something I typically do. I made, colored, and installed this unit all in one day. But if it's something that you're interested in, then definitely check out my website, www.mobmanes.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll check y'all out in my next video. Bye.